Hello guys, another Twisted video. E5 Web, um, is currently coming towards us. Is that coming towards us? I don't know what, why don't I have any, hello? Why don't I have any, um, some probes? Instrument probe. Domer drops his donut. 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 Oh no, 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 my car. Airbags deploy. We're good. Your camera. That's terrifying. That looks terrifying. That's terrifying. Um, this is crazy. Money? Only that much money. Oh my god. Where's the okay, the tornado is right there, and I know it's not safe. Logan, let me turn my car. I still have my Chromebook. Yeah, I did a go. Wait, is that? Oh my god, hello game? Have you ever heard of like letting me turn? I don't think I need any paints. Where's it heading? Where is this heading? It looks like it's heading morely towards that direction. That storm was scary to be inside of. Homer drops his donut. This storm, it is pretty scary. This is pretty scary. Is that no? That's not short to me. Dude, from oh my god, it's getting smaller, or it's getting farther away. Wait, it's good. Oh, yeah, it's 100% dying off. That's supposed to. No, that's supposed to. Oh my god! That became. Is it multi-vortex? I don't know what multi. I know like multi-vortex is like multiple tornadoes or like is that a multi-vortex? Because of that big Sure feel like an E F4 from an EF5. So like 5 seconds. Don't drops donut. Don't. Is that off the ground? Is that off the ground? Nope, that is. definitely still on the ground. Um, I love recording clips like these because I knew from the beginning this would be an insane storm. Ah, I knew. That tornado is dying off and it's becoming weak. That tornado in your head, Hazelton. I feel like Hazelton has like infinite protection. Like I've never seen a big tornado in Hazelton. That is not a near form, bro. That's not a near form. That's more of like a. It looks not like a near form. I can see the little other tornado. That's how big it is. Oh, we gotta go to the other tornado. We're at a small tornado and it's just like hello, I'm a small tornado and I'm just useless. Nope, that is definitely it. Yeah, that's definitely it. Really that small? Or what is that? What is that? That is a terrifying beat to be looking at. Nope. Oh, Prior Lake. Guess what? I have a tornado puncture, which means I don't have to. I'm just secure, safe, and yeah, that's 100% strong. Where's that guy going? That's the weak one. Probably gonna like die off soon. And that, I think that's how. Is that a tornado forming, or is that just like a vortex? No, that's a tornado. Um, um, oh my God, that's a very big tornado. I saw like the edges, and it's like down. It's back there. I think I should go a bit closer. Why did I go down here? Um, Never mind. Oh, never mind. Never again. That's humongous. It's, yep, my thing is dying. Now let's get a bit more speed because my speed died. And then, where did that other tornado go? Probably just long gone. No, that he's over there. This is insane. Oh, that means that's a strong tornado if it has that light. I'm currently going towards a pretty strong. That tornado died off. That became a vortex. That right there means it's getting weaker because that's getting weak now. Oh no. I'm gonna go there anyways. Yeah, my calculation's pretty far. Let's see. What's a strong tornado right now? That tornado seems. I knew it. It is getting stronger. Oh no, it's getting weaker and it's coming closer to me. W. Oh my god. Or does it matter get the less damage it did? Oh, those people over there? That those people over there are terrified probably. Cause that's part of a building? Oh my gosh, that is big. Rotation is going like that. It's that way. Probably means. Oh, oh. Is it going closer to me? It's going farther the opposite direction. Zach. Well, it became a vortex, but it got so much closer because it's becoming a vortex. I think it's a better idea to follow it because it's a vortex. It's probably gonna reform into another one, and if it's gonna reform, it might be a stronger one than this right now. So then, like, you'll be worth it. What? How far away from am I from the nearest road? Is that going up? Is that going? Yeah, that's 100% going. It's going more like there. Yeah, there. That died out. Let's do that. Let's respawn now. Let's see if this was a good spawn. This prior lake, but oh no, that was horrible. Waste near the vortex. Never mind, the vortex disappeared. How long has this recording been going for? 13 minutes. Oh my god, I gotta go.